Breaking overnight, a man found dead and a woman unresponsive inside a New Hampshire home.
Nicole Jacobs is live in Litchfield this morning with the breaking details for us. Nicole.
Well, Chris and Kate, police believe they are investigating right now a carbon monoxide tragedy. We want to get you to some video right now. What we're told is that authorities were called to this home around 6 o'clock yesterday evening for a welfare check. And when they entered, they found a woman unresponsive and a man dead. They also say inside the home, fatal levels of carbon monoxide. It's unclear at this point the exact source of that carbon monoxide leak. That is still under investigation. We are told an autopsy is scheduled for that man today to determine his exact cause of death, but certainly a tragedy here that continues to be under investigation. We're live in Litchfield, New Hampshire. Nicole Jacobs, WBZ This Morning.